Okay, good morning student. Today we are going to solve some more question for not from profit organization. Today I am going to take question number 31 and 32. Okay beta, 31 and 32 for the solving. Okay, first you all are read the question very carefully. Read for yourself. Then I am going to start. Okay beta, first read. Now I am going to just start this question. The question is it's an old question. Yes, the question is one receipts and payment account is given. One receipts and payment account is given. Okay, and you have to maintain the income and expenditure account and balance sheet. The question is first balance sheet BD is given 25,000, then subscription 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 24,000, 53,000, 1,000, then entrance fee, take in income and expenditure account, municipal grant, take in income and expenditure account, sale of old furniture, here profit 8,000 and 11,400 beta na. So it's a profit. If you are getting the profit, that profit amount, extra amount will showing on the income expenditure account, income side. Okay, this side salary, income expenditure, expense side, newspaper, electricity bill, fixed deposit we are not going to show, book we are not going to show, rent. Okay, now I am going to start with the opening balance sheet. Okay beta, opening balance sheet question number 31. Just opening balance sheet. See this balance sheet. First cash. You will learn opening balance showing us like a cash. That amount is 25,000. Okay beta, 25,000. And just see outside furniture is there. Furniture and 14,000 book. And book. The furniture amount is 30,000 beta and book is 14,000. Then outstanding subscription last year beta, last is 3,000. Okay beta, and outstanding salary last year 900. Okay, nothing else. Go for balancing this side 2, 1 remain 7, 72,000, difference amount 71, 100. It's what? It's a capital fund. Okay beta, it's what? It's a capital fund. I think you will know about that. From where I am taking this cash, opening balance, furniture and books giving outside. Okay beta, and then outstanding subscription also given outside, last year subscription, and then outstanding salary, it means last year salary, last year outstanding salary, then difference amount is the capital fund. Now I am going for the income and expenditure account beta. Income and expenditure account. Expense side, income side. Okay, then start first with the expense side. Expense side, first is salary and 2 salary 6,000, add outstanding current year less outstanding last year. Current year beta, just see the outstanding number second, additional information second, 900 last year and this current year 1200, then 6300. Okay beta. Then next, after salary, newspaper 4100. Okay, then next, electricity bill, that amount is 2000. Then book we are not going to take, fixed deposit we are not going to take, rent, no adjustment about the rent, 13,600 beta. Okay, it's a 13,600. Depreciation is there or not? Any depreciation? No depreciation is here. We are not going to show. Okay, go on the income side. By subscription amount is 53,000. Add outstanding subscription, that current year amount is 6,000 beta, but less outstanding last year, that amount is only 600. How it came beta? Question is coming now from here. 3,000 is last year outstanding. Just see first additional information. 3,000 is last year outstanding, but see in receipts and payment account we are receiving subscription 15 and 16, 2,400. So then 2,400 we are received, so only 600 remain. So last year outstanding is 600, that we are taking here only. Okay beta? It's a 58,400. 58,400. Okay beta? 58,400. Clear? Next, after subscription, entrance fee. Entrance fee 2,500. Then by municipal grant, and municipal grant is 20,000. Then sell of old furniture, that value is 8,000, but we are going to sell in a 11,400. That value is 8,000. Here profit, so then show that amount. By sell of furniture 11,400 minus 8,000, then 3,400. Next, just see, no adjustment is given about that, nothing else. But see, always I am saying, if any deposit, any fund, any bank deposit, any type of loan is given and front investment is given and front of that his rate is given, so sure and certainly you are going to charge the interest. Okay, just see fixed deposit 1,117, 9% per annum, 40,000. So just calculate the 9% of 40,000, 3,600. Okay beta? 9% of 40,000, 3,600, but for 1/1/2017, it means Jan, Feb and March, only 3 months. Okay, only 3 months, 36,000 for the 12 month, for 3 months 9,900, 3,600 for 12 month, for 3 months 900, so only 900 interest. It's accrued. Okay, it's a 900. Clear? Now go for totaling. Anything else? Zero, zero. First total of this side. 0, 0, 9, 9, 18, 2. 2 is remain, 10 to 5. 1 remains, 7, 8. 85, 200. 85, 200, 2. Surplus, 4. 10, 200. Okay. 1, 12, 1 is remain. 10, 15, 16 and 9. 25. 2 is remain. 2 and 1, 3, 5. 59, 200. Just see, it's 59, 200 lot. Okay, it's coming 59, 200. Clear, beta? However, only one important thing is here, that interest. Okay, beta, let's calculate like that. 40,000 9 upon 100 into 3 upon 12. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? Okay, go for the next balance sheet. Okay, beta? Balance sheet. First, cash, closing balance 7,400 beta. Okay, closing balance 7,400. Then see, deposit is there, book and furniture. Fixed deposit. That amount is 40,000. Book 21,400 is here. Sorry, 21,200 and 14,000 outside. And furniture 21,000 here plus 30,000 outside minus 8,000, because the value of 8,000 old furniture sold. Okay. 002 5 3 and here 22 and 21. What amount is coming? 43. 22, 21. Okay. Anything else? Then outstanding subscription 6,000 and interest 900. Okay, beta? Interest 900. Nothing else? Just see, the answer amount is 1,32,500. 0, 5 remain 1, 7, 5, 12, 15, 21, 22, 2 is remain, 4, 14, 13. 132,500. Okay, came, asset sides came, beta. Then capital fund is 71,100 and surplus 59,200. Then 0, 0, 3, 0, 1 remain, 30. Okay. And then outstanding rent. What is there? Sorry, salary. Outstanding salary. 1200 beta. And advance subscription 1000. Okay, 005 to. Okay, clear? How I am going to solve this question is clear or not? Clear beta? In which way they solve the question? Clear na? All the things. It's an advanced subscription. Just see the question. Subscription is given for 15, 16, 16, 17 and 17, 18. That 17, 18 is for the next year. That is advance. So we are showing that in where? So balance sheet as an advance subscription. Okay beta? Clear? Now I am going to solve one more question. 32. It's the 31 and next is the 32. Just see. Okay, see the question number 32. For the following receipts and payment account of dues club, information is given. Now go and see the question. Again, receipts and payment account is given. Balance, first is balance, then subscription is given, and then sale of old furniture. Donation for prize, interest on investment, donation for prize we are not going to take. Okay, then salary, printing stationery well known, furniture we are not going to take, investment we are not going to take. Okay, and other information is given here. 400 member we have. Okay beta, 400 member, 150 per member, needed 60,000. 49,200 receive, and another is the outstanding salary. 31 last year, 42 current year. Okay, don't worry. Subscription last year and current year. Interest made 30 March. On the basis of that, we are going to calculate the interest on investment, and depreciation is given. Okay. In this question, they are saying only make the receipts and payment account. Okay, only make the receipts and payment account. Sorry, income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account. Okay, going to start with the income side. First subscription. Then buy subscription amount is 49,200. And first additional information, club have 400 member and per member 150. It means we have to need the, it should be collect 60,000. Okay beta, we have to collect amount of 60,000, but we are received 49,200. It means 10,800 is what? Outstanding. That will add. Then add outstanding subscription 10,800 outside 60,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Then sell of old furniture. 8,000 value, but we are selling in 500. This side. To sell of old furniture 800 less 500, 300 loss. Okay. Interest on investment. Buy interest on investment 650 is given, beta. Okay. Interest on investment 650 is given, and 9% is rate, and 30th November. After November, December, January, February, March. March up to March. 3,000 total amount. Okay. Beta, 3,000. Investment amount is 3,000. Okay. And 9 into 3, 2,700 for the whole. 3,000. Okay. 9% of 3,000 is equal to 270. It's for the whole year. 270 into December 4 upon 12. 990 rupees. Okay. It means 150 is here. 90 rupees total. Okay. And then furniture. Any information about this? Depreciation on furniture. Okay. Investment were made on 30th November. Then December, January, February. 90 rupees. Okay. $270 is there, and then 90 will less, and that amount will came. Okay, beta? Again I am going to calculate this amount. Interest on investment 90 rupees. Let's show that side. Okay, beta? Where is that main amount? Interest. ₹90 are interest on investment, 650, 9%, 27, 90 rupees is outstanding, 720. some information is not. Oh, send the interest outside beta na. For 8,000 interest outside also. Okay. November. The club have the investment 8,000. So calculate on 8,000 more. 8,000 9 upon 100 720. 720 this amount and 90 rupees this amount. It means 810. But we have what amount? We have only 650. Then add outstanding 810. Outstanding just less from that. 810 is needed. 650 is given only. Okay. 6 and 1 160. 160 is outstanding that government total. Okay. That 8,000 outside is given, that I am not saying. Okay, beta. Same in the one investment is 8,000. On this 8,000, we are going to calculate 9% to 720 and 3,000 in inner column. And on that 3,000, we are going to calculate only for the how many month? 4 month. Total amount 810, but only given 650. So 160 with what? That's a outstanding. Now next, salary. Salary amount beta 42,500. Just see adjustment. Salary plate included 3150 less because included for the year 17-18 outstanding and outstanding salary. Add outstanding salary current year, it's a plus 4250. Okay beta, just difference of these all 11 adding in this to 43600. Now beta, difference it's add 4250 add 3150 less. So difference is what? 1100. That will add. Okay, then next, printing stationery. Anything is no. 21,500. Then furniture. We are not going to say depreciation. Furniture 15,000 this side. Outside any furniture beta? 10% furniture depreciation only on furniture. 1,500. Any other things? 15%. Nothing. Okay. Nothing else? Then go for totaling. 0, 0, 9. 1 is remain. 6. 66. 900. Just less from this. Oh, furniture depreciation amount. Again, date is given. Let's see. Here is the date, beta. It's purchased on 110. It means October, November, December. 7 month only, 6 month only. So 750 is there. Okay. Zero 5 1 2 6 5 6 150 66, 68, 50, sorry, 68, 10, 0, 4, 3, 5, 5, 3, 4, 0. This side, because this is bigger, that bigger, no beta. 61, 50 is bigger. So this side by deficiency 53, 40, I think. 53, 40. Okay. Only two very small mistake. One depreciation date is here, no beta. We are not seeing the date. And interest on investment, because outside interest investment is given and we are not seeing that investment. One interest we are going to charge on that outside investment, and one on inner column outside 8,000, 9%, 720, and 3,000 inner column 3,000, 9% for 4 months, only 90 rupees. Total 810 is needed, but only 650 is given. To 160 is what? It's the outstanding. In this question, they are saying about only make the income and expenditure account, nothing else. Okay, beta? Clear? After that, 33. 34, 35, 36, 37, you will try it. Any problem is there, then consult with me. Okay? Clear? Oh, thank you.